You know, I have here some really cool hot and cold packs. This is a 2-pack. See here, it's from TEMPK. You can use it as a hot or a cold pack. I really like this because I have a few cold packs, but none of them are really like this thick. Look at that. Look how thick that is. It holds its shape really well. Got another really cool thing that goes along with this. This here is the pouch that it goes in. You just take one of these, you simply slide it right in. It has a little Velcro right here, so you don't have to worry about it falling out. And it has this really nice strap here. It can hold it on your shoulder like this. Works great anywhere on your back, lower back, upper back, doesn't matter. This Velcro here too, it's great because it could stick right to the blue part, or it can stick right to itself on the other side if you had a smaller area that you were wanting to keep this strapped onto. The really nice part about it having two is you put it in the freezer. While you're using it, the other one can be in the freezer. So when this one's no longer cold, this one will be ready to go. Or if you're going to be alternating, let's say you just had surgery and you're wanting to alternate between hot and cold, you can have one of these being warmed up, the other one cold, so that you can do that type of therapy as well. This type of hot and cold pack is great after a lot of different activities. Let's say you just got done doing some physical therapy exercises. Maybe you recently had surgery or just working out too hard and some part of your body is sore. This would be great in a lot of those situations. I really like the fact of how versatile this is because you can literally put it almost anywhere on your body, neck, shoulder, your back, your knee, your hip. The strap allows it to have that type of versatility. So if you're looking to get a hot and cold pack that's going to last a long time and it's going to do the job very well for you, check this one out.